everyone, it's Miss Goldman. We are here to do our math lesson. This is Eureka Module 5, Lesson 13, and this is for students who may have missed the live lesson that was done earlier today, or maybe you need help with the homework, so you're coming back to listen to me teach this lesson again. Either way, I hope to see you next time in my live lesson tomorrow for lesson 14, but right now we're going to focus on 13. And remember, if you can't see certain images, you can look at them in the PDF version. If you are deciding you don't want to use the Google Doc that's attached with the PDF, please make sure you are sending me pictures of all the work either through Google Classroom or Class Dojo so that you are able to get credit. And remember too, if you need to pause this at any time, that is fine, especially if I'm going too fast. And you can also rewatch this. So let's begin. So over here, you can see these two pictures. I couldn't fit in, but this section would go right underneath over here. So these are the explanations. So like this is a star, I'll do, and star directions over here, and circle directions, or swirly, and swirly, circly, swirly. So over here it said, the shape represents one whole. Write a unit fraction to describe the shaded part. So I have 1/2. Over here, the shaded part represents one whole. Divide one whole to show the same unit fraction you wrote in part A. So it's pretty much, as you can see, the shape is still divided into two pieces with 1/2. So I have a feeling you will be able to answer these problems very quickly. So take your time. Sorry if you can hear the puppy. As many of you know, that is my sister's puppy, Winnie. I am now going to go over the answers. As you can see, they're very similar. So 1/4 and 1/4, 1/3, 1/3, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/6, 1/6. Not too complicated, right? So let's keep moving. So over here, we're now cutting this rope to figure out different pieces. So it says use the diagram below to complete the following statements. So we have rope A, rope B, rope C. So it says rope blank is half the length of rope B. So if I look up here, rope C is half the length because if I go up, that's kind of a straight line. It's halfway. So you need to figure out rope B. Answer problems B, C, D, and E. This is what you're going to do right now. So rope blank is half the length of rope A. Remember, here's rope A. Rope C is 1/4 of the length of rope blank. And if rope B measures 1 meter long, then rope A is blank meters long and rope C is blank meters long. And if rope A measures 1 meter long, rope B is blank meters long, and rope C is blank meters long. So take your time and work on these problems. All right, I'm going to go over the answers. If you need more time, remember, just press pause. All right, so we're going to go over the answers now. So rope B is half the length of rope A, and we can see this when we go up this way right here. Rope C is 1/4 the length of rope A. So if we go here, then there's 1/4 and 1/4. And then here are some questions. If rope B measures 1 meter long, then rope A is 2 meters long, and rope C is half a meter long. And if rope A measures 1 meter long, rope B is 1/2 meters long, and rope C is 1/4 meters long. So take your time to look at this, check your work, make any corrections, and let's move on. Again, press pause if you need it. So this is the last problem. It says Miss Van drew the figure below on the board. She asked her class to name the shaded fraction. Charlie answered 3/4. Janice answered 3/2. Jenna thinks they're both right. Who do you agree with? With whom do you agree? Explain your thinking. So take your time and we will go over this. All right, we're going to go over the answers. We're going to say Charlie is right because he cut the figure into fourths. And you can see I added an extra line right here. It's a little light, so I'm going to make it a little bit darker. I know it's not perfect. Then you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So that was the last problem for today. If you need help with this, just send me a message either through Google Classroom, Class Dojo, email. Many of you have been able to log in to see the live lesson, so you're getting an understanding of this and have been doing well. And I hope to see you tomorrow in my live lessons. If not, I'll see you here. Bye.